Hey Naveen, how are you?
Yeah, I'm great, Mike. How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
So, yeah, congratulations, Mike. You got placed in Kabira Mobility, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So, my first question is,
Okay.
so how was your journey through skilling? So, you took a, skilling masters. So, you took HEV masters, right? So, how was your journey through?
I was one of the student who attended the skill link from skill center also and through online also.
Mhm.
So I
Okay.
think that was a great experience for me to work with both at once.
Okay,
So
great.
it
That's
was quite awesome.
So yeah, so then my next question will be on the courses. Okay, so you went through a lot of courses, right? So you had
Yeah.
hypermesh, you had HEV courses in your profile now. So how was it? So like how was the course structure?
So I think if we go through that coursework, like it is like a ladder. If you are if you are climbing a ladder or stairs, you can say. So it is like from starting like KG1, KG2, class 1, class 2, like that. The difficulty level increases like that. So I feel like the instructor which are instructing, like they first go into the theory part, and then slowly that is been converted into like practical part and the industrial trend which are going in the current industry. So it is both at once. So it is like practical as well as theory.
How was your experience with the projects that you have done in it? So because like you have worked on so many projects, right? So you have worked on a number of projects. So and with that you are able to make different resumes out of it. So you've learned so much skills. So how was your skills and the
Yeah.
projects that you have done? So how did it change your career?
If you ask me, like frankly, I'm frankly speaking, like I never know that a mechanical engineer would work on a like coding part. I took the course in MATLAB for mechanical engineer. It is totally a part of coding part. So we have to script. So I never thought I would be scripting or doing coding as a mechanical engineer. I thought like I will be working on production or something. But then slowly I got to know like okay, it is not the case. We have to work in uh, like uh, computers also. So I started knowing about the things uh, uh, like meshing. So I started with hypermesh tool. It was like great experience for me. So knowing a tool which are very helpful in the field of mechanical through computers. So it was like a new experience as well as a great experience.
You got placed in Kabira Mobility, right? So, like,
Yeah.
how was your skills and the tools which you have learned here, and even the projects you have done? So, how was how are they helpful for you? In getting a placement in Kabira Mobility.
You might have known that I had selected in product development as a product development engineer there.
Yeah.
So while telling me about their work, so they
Mhm.
had told me they have seen my projects which were based on the battery. Like I had worked on battery technology also. So I had made a project which was totally based on like making a battery module. So with that, they have caught me you might have known SolidWorks. Yes, I know. I said like yeah, I worked on SolidWorks, Inspire Studios. So also they asked me, do you know like analysis part? So then I said like yeah. So they are seeing me with both hands, like saying you know uh, 3D modeling also, and analysis also, and that's great.
So, can you tell about the support team, like how helpful they were to you through the coursework?
I think I have got three support engineers around me for helping with me in the tool of Hypermesh. So for me, Hypermesh is like Brahma, like what we say. It is the sharpest tool for me. Support team helped me a lot on that. So
Mhm.
what they do is they are very interactive towards your work. Like they have their own part. Like they will share you like uh, a timetable, like you have to do this much so that you can complete the like course in 1 month, or depends on like student, if they are taking time, so according to that they will be scheduling the time. Like if I got stuck in any questions, like, so they will not tell the whole answer or something. They will not give you the solution, so they will just hint you by something. Okay, this much you can take this much so that you can answer it. So it was quite helpful for me, because if they will tell me everything, that will be no use, no. I had tried calling like support team. They pick the call, and they will like attend your call, and they will be clearing your doubts. So it was like a great support team, like I would say.
Coming to my next question. So my next question will be on the customer success team. So like, yeah, so from the time you came to my team, so how was your journey through the customer success team?
I think you and me conversation, like we had a conversation on daily basis. Like I used to call you like, Naveen, I had filled this application. I didn't got reply. What to do? So I think you always, hey, don't worry, man. You will be getting reply. It's everywhere. It's pandemic time. You might have known. Like I am also convinced with that. Like, yes, it is a pandemic time. But after starting like LinkedIn process, I felt like, okay, this is the time that I should be active. So I think the LinkedIn process started from November itself. After starting the LinkedIn process, I think like we were totally like continuously messaging like senior engineers and all. So I think you had helped me a lot, like saying that you should not you should be active now, because it's the time, like job market is opening now. And also I would like to add Sarang sir. Even Sarang sir came into picture. So I felt like this is the time. I should be active before any like opportunity comes. So we had a mock interview. Like they will be creating a environment, like you will be like it's a real environment, like interview environment. Whenever I go to interview, as I had given many mock interviews also, so I had already lost my fear towards interviews. So real interview. So because I already went through various mock interviews, so that helped me a lot in my real interviews. Like whenever I give it very confidently. Like I know the process, like these steps will be taken out. So it is quite helpful for me.
Like how was your how was your feeling like at the time when you completed the college, and how is your feeling now?
It's a nice question for me, because I always ask this to myself only. I think there is a great difference between the old, like a mature Mayank, I would say, and not experience, but actually in a track Mayank, you must say now. So I know the system now, because like before it is working like that, industry is working like that. But now I am pretty clear about the things, like what is happening. Previously it was like I am confident but I am not clear, but now I am like clear plus confident, both.
Thank you so much for your feedbacks and your comments.
Thanks for having me.